Do you know why raising our energy vibration is so important? There is one quotation by Abraham Hicks: as you think, you vibrate. As you vibrate, you attract. Hello everyone, my name is Tina Ashok Dhingra. I am organic lifestyle entrepreneur and coach, and I'm on mission to help 1 billion people to live organic, healthy and happy life. And today I'm going to talk about the law of vibration. The law of attraction is well known. As we think, it becomes our reality. But have you heard about law of vibration? If you want to know about the power of vibration, first you have to understand universe is not punishing you or blessing you. Universe is only responding to your vibrational attitude which you have. Have you ever heard rich people getting more rich and poor people getting more poor? Because of their vibrations, attitude, what they have towards their life. They always keep in complaining more. And you check your nearby people and check their attitude, what kind of vibration they have. And some people have their very positive aura, very positive energy field there around them. So it is also depend on person to person. So you have to do everything to improve your energy field or your vibrations if you want to get success in your life. And there are many ways to improve your energy level. Like you can eat high vibration food. When your energy vibrate at the frequency that is direct aligned with the universe, then you will become unstoppable. You will live in flow, and a miracle will start happen in your life. And the kind of message you will send to universe, the kind of signal you will give to universe will send you that things in your life. It will work like magic. But you have to work on your energy field. You have to improve your vibrations level. And there are many ways to improve your energy field. But nowadays people think this is spiritual things, and they get irritated. I don't want to be spiritual. I want to be cool. No. This is not a spiritual things. Your energy field is very important if you want to do something big in your life. There are so many negative energy around you, then it will be very difficult for you to do something big in your life. So there are so many ways. First way, you can have high vibration food. Whenever you are cooking your food, you have to place some good mantra, and you should not talk on phone and abusing and shouting and getting angry. It is very very important. And second, you can use salt whenever you are taking bath. So you can use salt in your water, and even in your mop when you are cleaning your house. And third, you can connect with your childhood activities. You can start painting, whatever you like. Connect with your soul. And the fourth is do meditation, and focus on your breath. And the fifth is smile. Whenever you see in mirror, smile every time. Important part in your life, like you have to keep smiling all the time, because you have to feel always gratitude whatever you have in your life. You should not be in complaining more. That is very very important. And yeah, have a good day, good life. Thank you.